Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Comcast Xfinity and manage smart home hotspots, complete guide step by step clearly. To log into your Comcast Xfinity account, first, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type www.xfinity.com and press enter. On the Xfinity homepage, look for the Sign In button located in the upper right corner. Click on the Sign In button. You will be directed to the login page. Enter your Xfinity username or email address in the first field. In the next field, type your password. If you want to stay signed in on the device, check the box next to Remember Me. Once you've entered your credentials, click on the Sign In button. After logging in, you will be taken to your Xfinity account dashboard. To manage your smart home hotspots, find the Internet option in the menu. Click on Internet to access your Internet settings. Scroll down to locate the Manage Hotspots section. Here, you will see options to enable or disable your hotspots. To customize hotspot settings, click on Edit Hotspot Settings. Adjust your preferences according to your needs. Once you're done, click on the Save button to apply changes. To log out, click on your account name in the upper right corner. Select Sign Out from the drop-down menu. This ends your session securely. Now you are equipped to log into your Comcast Xfinity account and manage your smart home hotspots effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.